Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Marlena. For today's task, I'm going to be cleaning my bathrooms. I do have 3-year-old twins, and one of them is potty trained, and the other one is currently potty training. So I do clean the bathrooms often. I try to clean them at least once a week, if not sooner. So today I'm just going to go ahead and clean all 3 of them, and I will start in my boys' bathroom upstairs. I'll start up here with the mirrors and then move on to the counter spaces and sink, and then I'll go to the toilet and the little insert for my 3-year-old that he can sit on. And then after that, I'll clean the tub and put all their little toys away and give it a nice spray and clean. To clean my bathrooms today, I'll be using Method Glass Cleaner, Method Antibac Bathroom Cleaner, and Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Purpose Cleaner in Bluebell Scent. I recently got a subscription to Grove Collaborative, and that is where I got all of these cleaning products that I'm using today. And I am super happy that I decided to buy from them, mostly because I know I can get cleaning products during a time like this. But really, it's because I can get all these fun scents now. I love this Bluebell scent from Mrs. Meyer's. It smells so good. And all of the Method cleaning products smell really good too. Okay, so now I'm going to clean the master bathroom. I'm just going to clean this little room with the toilet in it. I cleaned my sink and counters and mirrors about a day ago, so that's okay. I'm just going to focus on the toilet today. Okay, so now that I'm done with the master bathroom, I'm moving down to the downstairs bathroom, and I'll start with the mirrors clean the sink and the base of the sink, move on to the toilet and the mini toilet for potty training, and then I'll just dust off the shelving that sits above the toilet. All right, the bathrooms are all clean. Thanks for watching.